How can I find my passport number online?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to discuss a question that often pops up. How can I find my passport number online? Now, it's important to note that, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, most countries, including the US, do not provide an online facility to look up your passport number due to privacy and security concerns. However, you can find your passport number from your personal documents if you have saved copies digitally. Let's dive into it.
Why can I find my passport number online?
Firstly, it's essential to understand that passport numbers are sensitive, personal identification information. Therefore, to protect your privacy and reduce the risk of identity theft, most governments don't allow you to retrieve this number online.
So, how can I find my passport number?
Despite these restrictions, there are several places where you may have stored your passport number. 1. Digital copies. If you've made a digital copy or scan of your passport and saved it on your device or cloud storage, you can retrieve the number from there. 2. Emails. You might have shared your passport number in an email for travel or identification purposes. Try searching your email history. 3. Travel documents. Many travel companies request your passport number when booking. Check any digital confirmations, itineraries, or receipts you may have received. 4. Visa applications. If you've applied for a visa, you likely used your passport number. Look at your saved documents or emails related to these applications. Remember, always handle and store such information securely to prevent any potential misuse.
What if I can't find it anywhere?
If you can't find your passport number anywhere and urgently need it, you may need to apply for a new passport or contact your local passport authority for further assistance. They may be able to guide you on the next steps you should take. In closing, finding your passport number online isn't as simple as it may seem due to legitimate security concerns. However, we hope this guide has helped you think of places where you might have stored it digitally. Remember, it's always a good practice to keep a safe, secure record of your passport number. Stay secure, stay organized, and happy travels.